The subject for this video is creating a team site in SharePoint. So open up your SharePoint Administrator, click on Sites, click Active Sites, click on Create. Here you have two templates, a team site for team collaboration and a communication site, more suited for an intranet or a company portal. So if you're going to be publishing documents and have a team working on documents, and go with the team site. If you're going to publish an intranet portal, go with the communication site. And here you have a variety of templates you can experiment with. I'm just going to select the SharePoint team. Nice and simple. So here's the layout, very familiar layout, as you've seen from other videos. Click the next. Enter a name. Keep it simple. No alphanumerics, no brackets or dashes. SharePoint and OneDrive don't like non-alphanumerics. And you can see that if the other site is using that name, it will tell you. So copy that, place it in the description. And you can create a nice description. Don't put a description in the site name, title. Don't use long names. It's not a good idea. So enter an owner. You can see you can search. It'll go through your contacts. So you got to be careful there. So enter the owner name. Also for the site address, no alphanumerics. Or non-alphanumerics, no brackets, underscores, dashes, dollar signs. That breaks SharePoint and OneDrive. So select the time zone. I'm in New York, Eastern. You would think I could find this. I've had enough coffee this morning. There we go. And then just double check everything. If you're good with it, just click Create. Add a member. Now just scroll through, find the URL, and there it is. And then click on the URL. And there you go, there's your new site. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.